this special afternoon. So looking around earlier, and I am amazed by the beauty. The Filipino Times Awards is a prestigious international recognition that honors distinguished and exemplary Filipinos. Launched in 2014, the Filipino Times Awards paved the way for the Filipino Times Watch List Awards, a coveted recognition platform spotlighting top Filipino professionals, including those in the engineering, architecture, and healthcare sector. And now, we are here for the very first time, a country-level rollout of the Filipino Times Watch List Awards in Qatar and Kuwait.
These are very highly professional people. They know what they do, and they have contributed a lot to the development of this country. Mr. Ambassador, we are proud of your people. Kaya ako po I take great pride in knowing that all our Filipino workers here in Qatar trying to do their best, to deliver their best para sa kanilang pamilya.
Every one of you in here have actually passed flying colors. Allow me to give you the numbers. We have received 500 nominations. Of the 500 nominations, it had undergone a lot of reviews from your peers. It's a peer-to-peer awarding. It means to say that you are acknowledged with the people who really know how difficult what you're doing is. Out of the 500, there are 50 awardees tonight, and I would like to acknowledge all. I'd like to ask to stand the group first of our esteemed judges. I stand to be acknowledged. I understand the awardees and winners from the engineers. We have a lot of engineers today.
Is Engineer Jester P. Lungay. Engineer Jester P. Lungay is a leading civil and structural engineer with 20 years of experience in the oil and gas sector, leading onshore and offshore projects with global EPC contractors and engineering consultants across the GCC. A round of applause to the Filipino Times Watch List Awards, top Filipino engineers and architects in Qatar and Kuwait, 2025 awardee, Engineer